and today we're going to be making microwave ramen! Yay! Because we're just that freaking awesome. Okay, first you're going to take your favorite ramen flavor. This isn't my favorite. It's just the only kind we had. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to take the bag, like, break it a little, and then you go, Hulk smash. Okay, and then, yeah, I know. And then, yeah. Oh wait, man. Okay. Don't pound it until it like comes out of the bag, like I just did. Oh. Okay. So you just pound it, smash. Okay, and then you have to get it like really small. And then you want to get a bowl. Bowl about this size, you know, bowl. And then just put it in the bowl. Take out the flavoring. We don't need that right now. Okay? And so, if you hear laughing in the background, that's my audience guest, Jaden Downey. Okay?
Awesomeness.
Yeah, she doesn't really need to talk in this video because I'm. Hey, get your hand out of the. Okay, and then hold on, we're back. Okay, ouch, ramen. And then, if you have like big chunks like this in your ramen, then you might want to make them smaller. Oh God. If you can't, just leave them. Okay, like I just can't do this. Yeah. And so I'm a bad cook. Okay. And then you get about this much tap water, okay, or just any kind of water. You pour it in until it's more soup-like. See, soupy. Okay, and then you're gonna wanna put it in the microwave. Okay, put it in the microwave. Kind of filled it up too much, but you know how soup is. Okay, and then you're gonna wanna put it in for 3 minutes. Okay, so, magic. And then you're just gonna wait. And then I'm gonna go get a, and then while you're waiting, you can go get a drink. So I'm gonna get a drink. Okay? I'm gonna get a cup. Like, I have like this big stack of cups, so just take one off the top or the bottom. Okay? And then you can take that cup and either get some water or whatever the viewers like. Like we have Sunny D, like you can see. We have Sunny D, Sprite, and Coke. I guess I'll just take some Sprite. Okay? Ow, ramen! And you're gonna take your cup. Take the Sprite, open the lid magically, and you might not want to do that when the cup is full, and so you're just going to pour some Sprite in until it reaches your expectations, and you just magically put the lid back on, and magically put it back in the fridge. Okay, and so when we're still waiting, the clock says 1 minute and 25 seconds. And right now we can just sit and enjoy our drink. Beverage. While I clean up this mess everywhere and on the floor. You probably can't see that, but there's a lot on the floor and I'm stepping all over it. Okay. And, oh God! I'm so sorry. Okay, and then sorry, camera difficulties. Okay, and then you're just gonna clean it up if you made a mess like me. You might not want to make a mess on the floor after your mom just comes back. Okay, and so you might want to clean this stuff up off the floor too. Don't mind the girl in the fridge. I thought it was something. What girl? Okay, and then let's go clean it up. Want to clean it up?
You don't want to finish the clock.
12 seconds until it's ready and cooked.
Yeah, just make. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it's cooked.
Yay, our ramen's done. And this is what you're gonna want to do. You open a drawer, pull out some thingamabobbers. Okay, you want to open this. Beware of the dangers of like getting burnt and stuff. Okay, so you're gonna wanna. I'm not really good at this. Yeah, and then you don't want to close the microwave. You don't want the microwave open. Okay, and then you're gonna bring over your soup. What? I can still feel the burn through these. And your microwave soup is probably gonna be all foamy and stuff. That's normal. Well, don't listen to me. I'm not a professional. Sadly. I know I'm awesome like one, but I'm not. And then you're gonna want to take your seasoning and open on that dotted line, okay? You're gonna want to open it on that dotted line. If you don't, then you're just gonna have to open it like 3,000 times. You're gonna sprinkle it everywhere. Until it's all done. You might want to give it a shake. And then get a fork or a spoon or whatever utensil you want to use. I like forks. Spoons are just evil. And so you just stir it up. Just stir it up. Gotta stir it. Gotta stir it. And stir it up until you think it's all stirred up nice and good and nummy. Okay. Oh, and you might not want to touch that water. Gosh. Yeah. And if you don't like hot soup, then you might want to put it in the freezer. The freezer gets it cold faster.
Excuse my laughing.
And yeah. So I'm probably not going to be eating this for a while. Steam and burnt finger. Okay, and then you still got your drink. And you can drink it while your soup is being soupy and cooling off. Okay, and you just calmly enjoy it. Okay, I can't enjoy it, but that's how you make microwave ramen. Yeah!
Learn from me.
And don't forget, Jelly Bubbles 46 here.